Welcome back. More on our breaking news now from Baltimore in the US, where a ship has brought down a road bridge. Miley Hogan joins me now from America. Miley, what's the very latest?
Mark, good evening. This story is developing bit by bit. What I can tell you is that the Coast Guard has confirmed that it received a report of an impact at around 1:27 a.m. local time. That's around 2 hours ago. Now, local radio, we've been listening in there, and a number of talkback callers